What are you doing? Are you playing with the new toys from McDonald's, the Barbie toys?
Mm-hmm.
Which one's your favorite?
A horse.
The horse is your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. What? Ooh, pretty. Is that Barbie's horse?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's your next favorite toy?
Horse. And a horse.
Let me see her. Show me her face. Show me your Barbie's face. The doll. Show me your face. Show me, go like this. Oh, okay. What about your next Barbie? Show me her face too. Cool. And the next one? Show me her face. I don't see her face. What's her name? Anna? What about their car? Show me the car. Wow, it makes a noise? Okay, what about the guitar? Does it make noise? Let me see. Do you want to say thank you, McDonald?
Thank you, McDonald.
Wait, say it again. Thank you, McDonald.
Thank you, McDonald.
But you have to look at the camera. Say thank you, McDonald. Okay, bye-bye.